Hey D-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, cool mission right here, and basically what this is some sunglasses. If you can see it from this brand right here, and with this brand they actually make a lot of different type of glasses or sunglasses. So I'm actually opening up this one here to show you guys which one we got. Alright, so when we open it up, this is basically actually looks like. Let's take it out. So inside right here, they do provide a little baggie that's in use to hold the glasses if you guys want to. And on the other side right here, they do provide a lens wiping cloth. Then use that to wipe off the lens. Alright, so you can definitely see that they do provide a lens wiper right here. And the other thing right here is actually a little bag. So you can definitely use this to like carry the little glasses inside if you guys want to, which is super nice and super convenient. Definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option here. But right here we have the actual sunglasses, so let's take it out. Alright, so when we take out the product and see how it's all nicely wrapped, let's take out the wrappers and everything first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it definitely has like a retro vintage design look to it, if you guys can see. Definitely looks pretty cool. If you can see the way how they designed the hinge right here, it definitely has a very good support and definitely feels like a high quality design right here. And if you see the way how they designed this part right here, it definitely has like that European or American nose pad design. So that way you guys actually get a really comfortable feeling when you guys actually put on the sunglasses. But this is basically what the sunglasses look like. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks like a high quality product and actually looks very cool as well. You can kind of see a little bit of the reflection on the actual sunglasses right here. It actually feels really secure once we actually put it on as well. It definitely has the support and the comfort on the side, but it also has the comfort and support in the middle part right here for the nose pad and nose piece right here as well. But this is basically what it actually looks like with the one that we have right here. So that is basically everything that's on the actual product right here. Now to come unboxing and test out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the sunglasses, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys like this design or any of the other design that's from this brand in particular. If you guys plan on using this outdoor, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.